Hi guys, we are in TATTVAM Resort in Bangalore. It's a beautiful night. I'm not sure if you can actually see what I can see. It's very peaceful. It's on top of a hill. We're in the middle of a jungle. Almost a jungle on top of a hill. I hope you can listen to the sound of the night. That's our little cottage. It's completely dark. You can see some few guys partying out there. Not sure if you can see anything at all. Okay, so let's catch up in the morning. Let's see how this place is in the morning. If you can see anything at all. It's beautiful. Let's see. The skies are very nice. This is a huge place. It's very silent. It's apparently veg. They're using Ayurvedic concepts. Very nice. Okay guys. Switching off now. Catch up in the morning and see how this place is in the morning time. So this is how it is once inside. The door is have a little cottage for ourselves. Okay. Got a big room, a nice artwork. We've got the reused AC here. But it's pretty cool, does the job. No issues at all. Neat cupboards. Very spacious room for a family. Small family, a group of friends, workmates. Pretty neat place. Oh, the restroom is there. The restroom is pretty neat. Upscaled. Completely upscaled. Nice bathroom fittings. For a resort in the middle of a jungle, on top of the hill. I did not expect this. Restroom is pretty cool. Really neat. This is the morning vibes in this resort. Amazing. Beautiful. Air filled with oxygen. That's our yoga teacher. We will go try to do some yoga now. You should go. You guys should come and check this out. It's really nice. Oh, here's little monkey. Hi. Hello. Okay. I'm not disturbing you. Okay. Sound of nature. Just hardly 2 hours from Bangalore, you have something like this. Abundance of nature, it's beautiful. And yet we don't seem to be utilizing it. Sad state of affairs. We just finished our yoga session in the morning and we're going for the breakfast. Amazing, beautiful nature. It's situated on top of a hill. Completely green. Sound of nature. If you're watching this right now, you feel completely stressed, just listen to this. It's about 7:30 in the morning. That noise is from the kitchen. They seem to be preparing a very nice delicious breakfast.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಡಿಸೈನು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಕಾಟೇಜ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಒಂಥರ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಸೈಜ್ ಕಾಟೇಜ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬಾ ರೀಸನಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್ಗೆ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಫುಡ್ಡು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ವೆಜ್, ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಫುಡ್, ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯೋಗ ಟೀಚರು ಏನೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಒಂಥರ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಯೋಗ ಸೆಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬಾ ರೀಸನಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬಾ ರೀಸನಬಲ್. Yes, as I told, location is very good, and even the design of the resort is very nicely done. In terms of Ayurvedic and the Tattvic and the Hindu Dharmic culture, they have invested the management and the investors, the owners, and everybody, even the staff also, they are very much in line with the idea of even for tourists when they come, they want to enjoy the Indian culture. So this is very nicely done. Even as small as keeping the grass and this red oxide, little things very beautifully kept. And I like the fact that there is no TV in the cottage. So when people are coming, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ. ಸೊ ಟಿವಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೈಫೈ ರೌಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್. ಒಂಥರ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಇದೆ, ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ, ಒಂದು 2 ನಾள் ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ. And even the food is veg food, very good. Path also nice, and the yoga teacher.
Thank you.
He's behind the camera, but really very nice person. Yoga teacher. The food is also very tasty, timely, and nicely done. I wish everybody to come here and visit them. They're reasonably priced, and even the staff, I wish them all the very best and a very grand success also.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hope you will soon come back.
Pandita.
Yes, sir. Thank you.